All right, now show me where the pulley is. All right. Where's the water pump? Yeah, that's right. Where's the cylinder head? Yeah. Where's the spark plugs? Yeah. Where's the oil filter? Yeah. Where's the clutch? That's the flywheel. Where's the clutch?
It's red.
Yeah, that's right. Where's the flywheel? Yeah, where's the supercharger?
Supercharger is there.
Yeah, where's the battery? Yeah. Where's the harmonic balancer? That's right. Where's the distributor? Yep. Where's the engine mount? Where's the engine mount? Engine mount right there.
Yeah, engine mount right there. That's the engine mount.
Where?
That's the engine mount.
Yeah, where's the oil pan?
Right there.
Yeah, good job. High five.